Imagine waking up one morning to find your modest investment has skyrocketed by 100x overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? What if I told you that it's not just a dream but a real possibility in the world of cryptocurrency, even if you're just getting started this year? Whether you're aiming for 10x, 20x, or those elusive 100x and even 1000x gains, the secret lies in getting into the right projects early. But here's the catch: most of the hottest opportunities are snapped up by insiders and big-shot venture capitalists. Don't worry though, in this video I'm going to reveal how you can break into these early-stage projects and secure those life-changing returns. This is a video you literally can't afford to miss. Before we dive in, it's crucial to note that this is not financial advice. Always consult your financial advisor before making big money moves, and do your own research before investing into any cryptocurrency or any asset at all, for that matter. Now, in order to make those savvy crypto investments, you'll need to know the key strategies for achieving maximum gains, so let's get right into it. Navigating the crypto space to maximize your gains can seem daunting. It's usually the seasoned veterans who know exactly where to position themselves. But don't worry, we understand that the crypto space can be overwhelming with so many aspects to consider. That's why we recommend focusing on strategies that consistently work, and one of those is getting in early. Let's start with method 1, launchpads. If you're unfamiliar, a crypto launchpad is a platform that helps new crypto projects raise funds while giving investors first access to tokens. This allows investors to discover and invest in early-stage crypto projects before they're listed publicly. As a result, they can secure tokens at a lower cost and potentially profit when their value increases. Most launchpads operate as decentralized exchanges for project introduction and funding. They often bring additional features and benefits to participants, such as early access, exclusive opportunities, and a vetting process for project legitimacy. Trusted launchpads may also perform due diligence on behalf of users and investors, which could include third-party KYC verification to create a secure environment for both founders and investors. Most launchpads feature a native token that can be purchased and staked, directly influencing your allocation size. The larger your staked amount, the higher your allocation in each project will be. Since most projects attempt to capitalize on the momentum of a bull market, consider accumulating tokens before a bull market to get them at a reasonable price. For instance, Binance's Launchpad uses BNB to determine allocation size. Imagine picking up BNB when it dipped to around a third of its peak price. Timing is crucial here. But how do you get involved in a launchpad? Look into platforms like Binance Launch and OKX Jumpstart. These platforms provide early access to promising projects and could be your gateway to those massive gains. Next, method 2 is joining an alpha group. This is essentially a network of information-hungry people working together to get an edge on investments. The idea is to share and access valuable information about upcoming drops, project updates, and other news before it's released to the general public. There are different types of alpha groups, each with its own benefits. Some are as simple as a few friends in a Telegram group chat, while others are Discord groups with hundreds or even thousands of members providing pages and pages of intel. Let's explore some of the most common types of groups. Private groups. These are usually small and exclusive communities built on Discord or Telegram, consisting of friends and acquaintances sharing tips and insights. These shouldn't be overlooked because if you can gather some quality members, you can really benefit from the collective knowledge and experience. Tool-heavy groups. These groups are typically more sophisticated and less personal. They often incorporate features such as market analytics, wallet trackers, NFT rarity analysis, quick buy options, and portfolio tracker extensions. These groups usually include expert calls, educational resources on project evaluation, mint alerts, listing bots, and regular updates on market information. NFT access-based projects. Some NFT projects are known for having incredible alpha, but usually come with a high entry fee, ranging from thousands to even tens of thousands of dollars. These projects tend to attract people who are already well off and well connected, resulting in some of the best tips. But what if you could combine the power of all these groups? Imagine having access to the collective knowledge of thousands of investors, all working towards the same goal, finding the next big thing. Method 3 is joining a community VC or a venture capital community, which is another excellent way to get involved in projects early. These are harder to come across but well worth the effort. It can be challenging for the average crypto enthusiast to attain accredited investor status, which usually requires a net worth in the millions. Being part of a community VC is a great way to get around this obstacle, allowing you to participate in projects usually reserved for the big players. Some projects allow you to simply buy an NFT, join their Discord group, and you're ready to go. An NFT will give you a specific allocation in any projects that come to the table. Stacking low-tier NFTs can sometimes lead to a greater allocation, while purchasing higher-tier NFTs may give you immediate access to a larger allocation. Higher-tier NFTs may also come with additional benefits, such as guaranteed allocations. One of the great things about a community VC is that you're not just investing in a project, you're investing in a community. It's crucial to do your due diligence and ensure the project has qualified researchers, responsive member support, active moderators, and a streamlined deal platform. Quality deals are essential for the success of any group, so make sure the project's leader has the skills and expertise to secure them. What if you could tap into the collective intelligence of an entire community? The combined insights, research, and discussions can significantly enhance your investment decisions. Method 4 is a pretty interesting one known as airdrops. This method involves a bit of elbow grease and patience, but can literally result in you receiving free coins that will be worth big money one day. The cryptocurrency ecosystem is teeming with opportunities for those willing to invest their time and resources, and one such opportunity is airdrop farming. At their core, airdrops represent a unique method for distributing tokens or coins, often as a marketing strategy or for incentivizing users to participate in a project. The premise is simple: invest time and effort and get rewarded with a share of the new cryptocurrency. But how effective and lucrative are these airdrops in reality? Airdrops can be a double-edged sword for participants. On one hand, they offer the chance to acquire new cryptocurrencies with minimal financial investment. On the other hand, the crypto space is notorious for its volatility and unpredictable nature, which can sometimes leave participants questioning the actual value of their rewards. However, a carefully considered approach can pay dividends for the discerning investor. Creating a chart or checklist highlighting the critical factors of a successful airdrop can help you evaluate potential opportunities more effectively. While there are no guarantees, being organized and strategic in your approach may increase your chances of uncovering rare gems whose token prices may skyrocket. Participation in airdrops often includes tasks like following social media accounts, retweeting posts, joining Telegram groups, or referring friends. These activities show your genuine interest and boost your chances of receiving airdrop tokens. Some airdrops can be more challenging, requiring you to take extra steps, such as visiting their blockchain faucet. Many projects reward community members for their past contributions to ensure that rewards go to truly active members. This is done to prevent rewards from going to those only interested in airdrops. For example, Pith Network is running a reward program to reward previous community contributors and active DeFi participants within the ecosystem. Can you imagine getting rewarded just for being an active member of a community? Airdrops offer a unique way to earn tokens, sometimes just for participating in tasks and showing your support. As a quick recap, here are 4 ways that could help you get into cryptocurrency projects that could still 100x in the next 18 months. Number 1. Launchpads. Participate in early ventures by staking tokens to secure allocations in new projects. Number 2. Alpha groups. Join information sharing groups to get early intel on promising projects. Number 3. Community VCs. Invest in projects usually reserved for accredited investors by joining community venture capital groups. Number 4. Airdrops. Participate in airdrop farming to acquire new cryptocurrencies with minimal financial investment. All in all, these are fantastic ways to bring in those gains. Just remember that getting in early doesn't automatically mean you'll get a lime green Lamborghini. You still need to do your own research, because if a project turns out to be a dud, it doesn't matter how early you were. But what if you could unlock the secrets to the next big crypto project right here, right now? It must be your lucky day, because believe it or not, you actually can. All you have to do is click to watch this next video to find exactly which new meme coin is poised to make you a crypto millionaire in the next 12 to 24 months.